Brother, many drivers think disconnecting a car battery is simple. Just loosen a cable and done. But this one small mistake destroys electronics, resets systems, and costs money. I have seen it happen too many times. Today we talk about the biggest mistake people make when removing battery terminals. Stay with me, because this mistake is more common than you think. Segment 2. Here is the science part, buddy. A car battery connects to the entire electrical system. According to automotive safety guides from manufacturers, removing the wrong terminal first can create a short circuit. Electricity always looks for the fastest path. That path can be your wrench, your hand, or sensitive electronics. Now let me explain the mistake clearly. Segment 3. The biggest mistake is removing the positive terminal first. When the positive cable is still connected and your tool touches metal, electricity flows instantly. Sparks happen. Control units can be damaged. Brother, mistakes happen, but knowledge prevents them. Next, I will explain the correct order. Segment 4. The correct solution is always remove the negative terminal first. The negative side is connected to the car body. Once it is removed, the circuit is broken. No current flows. This is basic electrical safety used by mechanics worldwide. Simple rule, big protection. In the next part, why this matters even more in modern cars. Segment 5. Modern cars have many computers. Engine control, transmission control, safety systems. A voltage spike can confuse or damage them. Repair costs are not cheap. Tip for you, treat electricity with respect. The next segment explains what happens when sparks appear. Segment 6. Sparks mean uncontrolled energy. Sparks can damage terminals, melt tools, and scare you into dropping equipment. In extreme cases, battery gas can ignite. This is why professionals never rush this step. Brother, slow hands save money. Let us continue. Segment 7. Another common mistake is leaving the key in the ignition. That keeps systems awake. When power is cut suddenly, data errors may occur. Always turn everything off before touching the battery. Calm preparation beats panic repairs. Next, tools matter too. Segment 8. Using metal tools without insulation increases risk. One accidental touch creates a direct short. Many mechanics use rubber-coated tools for safety. Tip for you, even a piece of tape on the wrench helps. Small habits prevent big problems. Coming next, what about reconnecting the battery? Segment 9. When reconnecting, the order is reversed. Positive first, negative last. This keeps the system stable. Many drivers do it randomly and hope for the best. Hope is not a strategy, buddy. Confidence comes from understanding. Next, let us talk about memory loss issues. Segment 10. Disconnecting a battery resets clocks, windows, and sometimes engine learning. This is normal. Do not panic. Drive calmly for a short time and systems will relearn. Brother, patience fixes what panic breaks. Up next, why some people disconnect batteries often. Segment 11. Some drivers disconnect batteries to save power or reset warning lights. That works sometimes, but not always. Modern cars store errors deeply. Tip for you, battery removal is not a magic fix. Understanding beats guessing. Next, safety reminders. Segment 12. Always wear gloves if possible. Avoid touching both terminals at the same time. Keep tools away from metal parts. This is basic garage safety. Brother, protecting yourself is always step 1. Let us move forward. Segment 13. Mistakes do not mean you are bad. They mean you are learning. Every skilled mechanic once made simple errors. What matters is improving each time. On the road and in life, progress beats perfection. Next, final practical checklist. Segment 14. Checklist time. Engine off. Key out. Remove negative terminal first. Secure cables away from battery. Take your time. This routine becomes muscle memory fast. Next, what if you already made the mistake? Segment 15. If sparks happen, stop immediately. Inspect terminals and fuses. If warning lights appear, scan the car later. Do not ignore strange behavior. Brother, early action saves stress. Almost done. Segment 16. Battery work is simple when done right, dangerous when rushed. Respect systems you cannot see. Electricity is silent but powerful. Smart drivers stay calm. Next, summary. Segment 17. Remove negative first. Reconnect negative last. Turn everything off. Use safe tools. That is the rule. Repeat it, and you will never forget. Final thoughts next. Segment 18. Many car problems come from small mistakes, not big failures. Learning basics gives you control and confidence. Brother, knowledge is the cheapest upgrade. Last segment coming. Segment 19. Now you know the biggest battery mistake and how to avoid it. Share this with someone who works on their own car. You might save them money and stress. Final message next. Segment 20. Final car care is not about being brave. It is about being smart. Try this method next time you disconnect your battery. Like, share, and comment your experience. Disclaimer. This content is for general information only and does not replace professional mechanical advice.